channel. I wanted to do a BoxyCharm, the first of the year BoxyCharm unboxing with you guys. I was excited about this box. This is called the Rock 2018. And I opened it up, and one of the first items that was right on the top of the box, wait a minute, was the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, which I was so excited about. Now, I got this box a few days ago, and because I film in natural light, I had to wait for a day where we had sun, and I could actually film in natural light. So I've been wearing all these items for a couple days, so I can kind of give you a little review as we go through it. So let me back up and just say this is $38 retail. The box is $21, so that makes me happy. I love Dr. Brandt products. I do like this. It's not as luminizing as some of the other ones I have, and it also has like a little bit of a medicinal smell to it, but you get used to it. I'm still happy to have it. I still like it. It wasn't like a wow thing, but it's okay. It's all good. Then the next thing that was lying on the top was the Glam Metals by Crown. Now, I've tried, obviously, Crown brushes, but I have never tried any of their shadows. So this Glam Metal palette retails for $25. And let me show you how cute this is. It comes out of the sleeve. The sun's probably gonna move in, but I love these colors. Love them. So I have this heavy metal one on today in my crease, and I like them. I mean, they're not like wow, they're not like the quality of Anastasia Beverly Hills or Too Faced, but they're not bad. I mean, we're not talking like Elf or, I mean, just like, you know, they feel kind of creamy. They're not bad, like pigmentation and everything, they're really not bad. For like a little $25 palette and you get 9 colors. I don't want to blind you with the mirror. You get 9 colors, and these are all metallic except for the black metal is a little more of a matte. And I tried yesterday this one, which is the Wicked. And it's kind of like a brown, but it's got, and it's not really metallic-y. It kind of will like, maybe it's like a satin. It's more matte. But yeah, I kind of liked playing around with that. I'm not in love with it. Like, I'm glad I didn't purchase it, but I don't hate it. But if you're looking for like a good affordable palette and you like metallics and metal, kind of like, this would be great. Like, if you see this, pick it up for 25 bucks. All right, so moving on, the next thing that was in here was this Pure Bronze and Brighten. Now let's see if I can open this without this Bronze and Brighten palette. Now look at these colors. Okay, like I have this on today as a blush, and this is my highlighter, and I absolutely love them. I like Pure Cosmetics anyway, but let me just, that's the color I have on as a blush today. And then let me find a hand here that's, and then this, look at this, that's my highlight. And it is so like creamy, it's not like glittery, it's just like, I was really impressed with this. I love this. I think this is gonna go in my everyday bag. And this was $34. So I was really like, so far I'm liking everything in the box. Like, yeah, I'm really happy with this box. So then I have heard about Galactic from other YouTubers. We have a Galactic matte lip paint. Now it's just like a liquid lippy, a matte liquid lippy. I'm wearing it today. This is not a color that I would see in the store and buy myself, but that's what it looks like. I really like this. It's comfortable, and when it, let's see, when it dries down, it's a little lighter. Let's see if I can get a good, there we go. It's a lot lighter than that when it dries down. I have it on now. It's really comfortable. It's not sticky. It doesn't crack. I wore it all day yesterday and the day before. I didn't get butthole lips. I really, really like this. I can see why people really like Galactic products. I wasn't jumping up and down about the color, but for me, this is a really good like nude color for me. And like I said, unless it was like fall and I was looking for kind of a fallish tone, I don't think I would have picked it out of a rack. You know me, I always tend to gravitate to the reds and the red tones. But yeah, I was like so excited about this. And this Galactic is $23. Last but not least, we got an IT product. I love IT Cosmetics. We got the brow powder pencil. This is a universal color. This retails for $24. So everything in here has been more than the price of the box. I'll put the total, you know, I always put the total of the box somewhere on the screen for you guys. I like this. I actually have this in my brows today. I tend to buy Auburn brow pencils. This was universal. I said, I'll give it a shot. I don't hate it. I wish it was in an Auburn, but then it wouldn't be universal, would it? But it goes on really nice. It's kind of like the Anastasia of Beverly Hills one that's, you know, like, that's like this. There we go. I have nothing negative to say about it at all. Just that I wished that it came in a different color. This is taupe. Universal taupe. I don't know how it can be universal if it's a color. But anyway, that's what it says on here. Universal brow pencil, and then when you flip it over, it says universal taupe. So maybe they do make an Auburn. That would be awesome. So anyway, that was the BoxyCharm of the month, the first BoxyCharm of the year. And then with, oh yeah, when we got a little ingredient list for the Dr. brand. But anyway, love, love, love it. 2 thumbs up. You know the deal. Subscribe, like, comment down below. If you got anything different in your BoxyCharm, let me know. And stay beautiful. We'll see you next time. Bye.